I'm using my Hemi walker today because I'm trying to learn how to walk again. Yo. And little Missy is mad at me. That's why she got her back to me, because she likes to sleep in my wheelchair. And I'm like, hey, yo, girl, I'm trying to get rid of the wheelchair. I mean, when I'm done with it, you can have it. But she been stomping across my lap, back and forth, all ticked off because there's a Hemi walker sitting there instead of a wheelchair. She mad at me. Yes, you. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, you. Woo! Woo! Uh-huh.